Today we're going to talk about a common problem that keeps many freelance web developers from growing their careers and businesses: overcomplicating things. Engineers inadvertently get taught that complexity equals quality, and you need to keep solving the problem until it's solved in its entirety, however long it takes, forever, basically over-engineer everything. That's what engineers get taught. Overcoming this problem is the number one hurdle for most engineers when they want to freelance or run a business successfully, because you cannot run a business or freelance successfully if you keep this problem. When offering services as a freelance developer or agency owner, it's relatively easy to get higher paying clients than if you offer marketing, for example. However, when you start doing certain well-paid projects, it's easy to feel like you're not doing enough and the client deserves ever more for their money. This is when the old engineering habit starts kicking in, and developers tend to go crazy with complexity and custom work. Ultimately, clients don't care how smart you are and how complicated and custom the solution is. They care about the benefit of the benefit, meaning what does it mean at the end of the day for their business results. First, you need to help potential clients make the right decision for their business. They need your help because you are the expert and they are buying a service. They might not know the best way to buy this service, so you need to make sure it's the right decision for them and they understand the way to think about it and make a decision. This is your job. The harder your answers are to understand, the more time and money you waste for you and your clients. Over-engineering is a quiet way to lose money. It's not just the fact that over-engineering makes you and your team work more hours, it's also about the opportunity cost. Every minute spent making too many changes to a project is a minute that can't be used to find new clients or sell more to current ones. Complexity doesn't just affect you, it spreads to the rest of your team and makes everyone less productive and less happy, and ultimately the client less happy. Now let's talk about the simplicity methodology, which could change the game for you. This isn't about taking shortcuts, it's about getting the most out of your routine. Find the project's most important needs and solve them in the simplest way possible. Use tried and true tools that get the job done without bells and whistles that you don't need. The goal is to give you high value options that are both quick and cheap, so you can grow your business without too much trouble, while still giving the client what they need to get their business to grow. I've worked with companies that switched to the simplicity methodology and in just 3 months saw a 30% increase in the number of projects they finished and a 25% increase in the number of clients they kept. This isn't a unique case. This is what happens every time you get rid of extra layers that most web developers and other types of developers think they need but don't really need, because it's a waste of time and it's over engineering stuff. So how do you start making this change? First, look over the jobs you already have, the clients and projects you're working on. Find places where complexity has crept up without adding anything to the project in terms of end result. Next, get the tools in order. If a tool is not directly helping to solve the client's problem, it could be taken away, and I mean tool in the broadest sense of the word, by the way. Lastly, train your mind to look for the easiest way to solve a problem without giving up quality. This is a mental shift, and it's very important for business owners and for developers for that matter. It's what sets the top freelancers and business owners apart from the rest. Some entrepreneurs call it useful laziness. One of the business owners you might know who thinks this way is Bill Gates. Just look it up, he says this. By putting an emphasis on simplicity, you can improve speed, make customers happy, and in the end, make more money. Don't let another project get stuck because it's too hard. Use these ideas right away and let me know how they change your business. If you agree with what I'm saying, click the like button and subscribe and turn on bell notifications to get more unique information on how to grow your business. Now go into the description below this video. There's going to be a link to the next video to watch to get things sorted out in your business so you start growing.